So riding the plant-forward wave into cafes and coffee shops, almond milk is actually a really popular choice that a lot of people choose for their lattes. So Silk Barista is actually dairy-free, that is designed to hold that beautiful foam that makes lattes and cappuccinos so delicious and still have a neutral flavor profile. So I want to show you guys how to make a tea latte called a Golden Bee. You start with a simple syrup made with turmeric, honey, and a little bit of lavender oil to make a botanical blend. You put all of that into a squeeze bottle, so with each latte you make, you just squeeze about 2 ounces of that syrup into the mug. Then you take your Silk Almond Barista, froth it until the microfoam stage, and take that foamed almond milk and just pour it into your mug, making sure that you're pouring your almond milk from a high enough angle so that it mixes with the simple syrup as it pours. Then you just top it off with a little bit of bee pollen and some dried lavender buds, and you have a beautiful caffeine-free and dairy-free latte.